good kiss. Hi friends! Today we are going to draw and make Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep stickers. Let's start drawing! First, I draw Peppa Pig, starting to draw her nose, her face and her ears like this. I continue to draw her eyes and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her body like this. Next to her, I draw Suzy sheep, starting to draw her face and her two ears. Then I draw her eyes and her smiling mouth. I continue to draw Suzy's body. Now let's start coloring. Dark blue, pink, gray, use this light pink watercolor to paint Peppa's skin like this. I'm going to draw their dresses. First, I draw Peppa Pig a crown like this. Then I draw for her a dress with wings in the back. Draw her shoes like this. Then I draw a magic wand for her. Next, I draw Suzy's dress. First, I draw a bow like this. Then I draw a cute dress and shoes for her. I continue to paint their stickers. First, I use red to paint Peppa's dress. Yellow, green, color Suzy's dress light purple. I'm going to use this scissors to cut this drawing. Please pay attention and follow me. While using scissors, you should pay attention carefully, or you can ask for help from an adult. After cutting out the details, we use glue to stick Peppa Pig's costume like this. Next, I glue this crown onto Peppa Pig's head. Then stick the magic wand like this. I continue to make a Suzy sheep sticker. First, I glue her dress to her body like this. Then stick her shoes. And stick this bow on her head like this. We are almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!